Good morning everyone. Welcome once again to the SRBPS online classes. Today we are going to discuss question number 8 of your exercise 12.1. So in this question, what question says a cuboidal container. A cuboidal metal container is 8.4 meter long, 80 centimeter wide and 1.2 meter deep. To find the weight, what we need to find out? The weight of a metal container if it weighs 0.20 kilogram per meter cube. It should be cube. So let me write cube over here. Right, per meter cube. So we have to find out the weight of the metal if it weighs 0.20 per meter cube. So let's start how to find out the weight. So let me tell you the interesting thing about the weight only, that if you will observe very carefully on what weight depends. The weight always depends on the volume, right? Weight always depends on the volume. So for this question we need to find out the volume of a cuboidal metal container, right? तो निकाल लेते हैं. Let's start. Volume of metal container. Right, so first of all we should know what is the shape of that metal container. In question it is mentioned. Even if it is not mentioned in the question, by looking into the measurement we only can get to know, right? So it is a cuboidal metal container. So the volume of a cuboidal metal container, we know that length into breadth into height. So let's see what is the length. 8.4 meter. What is the breadth? 80 centimeter. And what is the height? Height we can see 1.2 meter. So here we can see that it is given in meter, but the breadth is in centimeter. So let's convert the breadth into meter only, because here in question as well the weight they had given of a metal in meter cube, right? Per meter cube. So it's better to convert in meter cube. So let's convert the breadth. So breadth is 80 centimeter. We want to convert into meter. So we have to divide it by 100, right? So the answer would be 0.8 meter, because here is only 1 0. So we will be having one decimal place. So let's multiply 8.4 into 0.8 into 1.2 meter. What will come? Meter cube. Because we have here meter, here we have meter because we have converted it, right? And here also meter. So 3 times meter is getting multiplied. So we will be having the unit meter cube. So now let's see what we will get after multiplication. So what we will get here after the calculation, we will get 8064 meter cube. Now we can notice here how many decimal places we have. 1, 2 and 3. So we are going to put the decimal places after this only, right? We will find the weight of this box, right? So as per the given information, they have said 0.20 kg per meter cube. Now what does this mean? It means that 1 meter cube volume, a thing which have 1 meter cube volume will be having weight 0.20 kg, right? So we can write here weight of an object with 1 meter cube volume will be 0.20 kg. So weight of an object, and what is object here? Weight of a metal container with 8.064 meter cube as volume will be equal to what? 0.20 kg into 8.0, let me erase it, 64, right? So here we can find it. Let me show you after erasing. So here So here 0.2 kg into 8.064, right? So now we will multiply it, and so after multiplication we will get 161,280, right? You can check it. 2 4s are 8, 2 6 12, and 2 8 16, and 1 0 is here, so we have written it here only. So now we have 2 decimal places here, 3 decimal places here. So from the right side we will calculate the number of places, 1 2 3 4 5. So here only we are going to put the decimal. So it will be 1.6128 kg, right? And one more thing, because kg will be having max to max 3 decimal places, so since we can notice here 8, so we can round it off. And as you know that if the number, the last digit is more than 4, so we will add +1 in the previous place. So 1.613 kg, 1.613 kg will be the weight of the given metal container. Right children, so this is the way we can find the weight of any object if we know the volume of a given object. So I hope it is understood to you. Thank you so much. Stay safe, happy, and bye-bye.